Imagine a world where energy is smart, where people have power that is affordable and green, where every building captures energy from the sun and uses it, stores it, or shares it with others on the grid, where utilities are fully integrated with distributed energy, where installers have more than alerts, they have insights. Enphase is imagining this world. It drives us to innovate, and it is closer than you think. Introducing the Enphase Energy Management System, a groundbreaking solution that combines energy generation, storage, and control into an innovative package that delivers the highest production with the most intelligent management. It's powerful, it's connected, and it's very smart. With the Enphase Energy Management System, energy and data are truly integrated, making smart storage a reality, making power truly powerful. It is smart for your home, knowing how to trim demand when power prices rise and when to charge your car as the price drops at night. It is smart for your solar business, solving issues remotely so you can manage your staff to maximize your growth. It is smart for the grid, refining how utilities manage supply and knowing a sunny day both boosts production and spikes demand. The Enphase Energy Management System is designed to scale for a solar-driven future where 2 million, 200 million, 2 billion rooftops add up to a cleaner, greener planet.